Come on, let's take a closer look. Do you notice how dense the blood supply each alveolus has, surrounded by so many capillaries? But where are they coming from? That's right, the pulmonary artery. It basically first divides into smaller vessels called the arterioles, and then into these fine capillaries that form a network around them. One thing to take note is that the blood within these capillaries is in fact deoxygenated. These capillaries join up together again and form venules. These small vessels connect again and form the pulmonary vein, which contains oxygenated blood. Yes, you heard that right. Magically, the blood coming back from the alveoli becomes oxygenated and then makes its way to the heart, all loaded up. Oh, and do you remember exactly what part of the blood carries this oxygen around? Yes, the hemoglobin in the red blood cells carries the oxygen. But hey, let's get back to the topic. So, what just happened here? An actual magic trick? Well, the deoxygenated blood just became oxygenated. But how? You must be excited to see the trick behind this. So, let's not keep you waiting any longer. The secret to this is something you are all now well aware of. This happens due to, drumroll please, diffusion. You might be wondering how. Well, do you remember how we talked about air being inhaled from the nostrils? This travels all the way through the conducting pathway and reaches the air sacs. At the same time, the capillaries have brought deoxygenated blood with loads of carbon dioxide in close contact. Can you try to remember the principle behind diffusion? Each gas wants to move to an area where it is less, right? Down the concentration gradient. The alveoli forms the respiratory surface for the human body. The carbon dioxide moves across the single-celled capillaries into the epithelium of the alveoli. The alveoli also have an epithelium of just a single layer of cells. In exchange, oxygen moves out from the air sacs into the capillaries. And ta-da! There you have it. Oxygenated blood is formed and the carbon dioxide is exhaled out from your lungs.